Conversion of metanitrophenol to resorcinol. They are asking us how to convert metanitrophenol to resorcinol. Now let us write the structure of metanitrophenol now. This is phenol. In the meta position there is NO2 group. Then this is resorcinol. So first let us learn how to convert metanitrophenol to resorcinol. Now first I will treat this compound with tin and HCl. Tin and HCl means reduction. NO2 group will get reduced to NH2. So what will I get here? OH and NH2. This compound is now subjected to diazotization, means treat with NaNO2 and HCl. Diazotization means NH2 group will be converted to diazonium compound like OH N2 plus Cl minus. This diazonium chloride on hydrolysis will give phenol. When diazonium chloride is subject to hydrolysis, this N2 plus and Cl minus will be replaced by OH. So I will get this compound. So the first step is reduction. Second step is diazotization. And the third step is hydrolysis. Now let us see where this option is there. Reduction, diazotization, hydrolysis. So option D is the correct answer.